In this video, let us understand how if-else structure works. A condition is given within the if, and if this condition is satisfied, the block of statement within the if gets executed. If this condition is not satisfied, then it will go to the else part, and the block of statement within the else block gets executed. This is how if-else works. This can be used when you have to perform task 1 when condition is satisfied. When the condition is true, task 1 is performed, and when it is false, task 2 is performed. During such conditions, such situations, this if-else can be used. This is the syntax for it. Let us consider a simple example. If n less than 10, this is the condition, n less than 10. If this condition is satisfied, the statement it is a single digit number gets executed. If this condition is not satisfied, the statement it is not a single digit number gets executed. Let us consider a value for n. Suppose I consider the value of n as 7. So 7 less than 10, the condition is satisfied. It will display it as a single digit number. Now let me consider an n value greater than 10. So I'll consider 11. 11 less than 10, the condition is not satisfied. So it displays the message it is not a single digit number. This simple if-else is used to check if a given number is a single digit number or not. Now let us look into the flowchart of this if-else statement. Any condition is represented using a rhombus in the flowchart. So the if condition is represented using this rhombus, and if this condition is true, that is the condition is satisfied, the block of statements within the if gets executed, and if the condition is false, the statements within the else block gets executed, and the flow continues. This is a simple program to understand if-else structure. In this program, I have declared two variables a and b and trying to read the values for a and b from the user. And this is the simple if-else structure. Here I am checking a condition if a is greater than b. Suppose this condition is satisfied and a is greater than b, this statement will be executed, a is greater than b. Since I have written the variable name outside the double quotes, the value of a gets displayed. Suppose if you write this a within the double quotes, then it displays as it is, that is a. Since it is outside, the value of stored in a will be displayed here. If the condition is not satisfied, a is not greater than b, then it will go to the else part and this statement will be displayed, b is greater than a. Obviously, if a is not greater than b, then b should be greater than a. So else part, it goes to the else part and displays this message. Let's run this program and see. I will enter a number where a is greater than b. So let me see what it displays. It is displaying 20 is greater than 10. That is a, value of a is greater than value b. Let me run this again and give a greater value for variable b. This time I'll give a greater value for b and c. It prints 50 is greater than 25.